Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to see purchase of house plot at site. So you might be thinking that I want to buy a site in Bangalore or Chennai or Mumbai or any places if you want to buy a site, and you can go for a loan, that is a plot loan or a site loan. So banks will be having different names, but the concept is to purchase a property. For that, normally the rate of interest, if you for rate of interest, you have to check 4 or 5 banks. What is the rate of interest for purchase of property? This is 8 point, normally 8.15 to 8.4. So some banks will go give to less than this. So you have to check ROI, rate of interest, repayment period, monthly EMI. These are the things you must check always. Then loan amount. These are the mainly things you have to check in any banks. Age, the criteria is age is minimum 18 and maximum 70. Suppose if it is more than 70, for businessmen we can have a relaxation format, that is a different format. In that we can mention all the details that this so and so is more than this 70, but he is capable of paying the repayment, like that we can, there is a format. This is just a circular. Approval is for the site, house site or plot that you are going to purchase must have a DTCP or local authorities, because these must be there. Otherwise, SARFAESI, that is we used to call that SARFAESI Act 2022 2002, that is called, if you are not paying the loan, we can go for sale. So if there is a proper DTCP or local authorities only, SARFAESI Act will be implemented. For agriculture property, SARFAESI Act is not implemented. So for agriculture land, purchasing of agriculture land, we are not, bank is not financing. Margin is, if you see 25% of margin, the loan to value will be 75%. What it means? Now I am going to register the land. I have seen a site in Chennai for 1 crore. I am going to register for 1 crore. Then I have to bring my margin of 25 lakhs. The bank will give the loan of 75 lakhs. This is the concept. But you may think that for 100 lakhs, 50 I am bringing as white, 50 I am giving to the owner as a cash. If you are giving anything as a cash, it will not be counted as a for loan margin. What you are going to register in the 25 percentage margin must be there. Then if you see what is a loan amount will be 36 times of gross of your monthly salary. Suppose your monthly salary is 50,000. 50,000 is your monthly salary. You are eligible for 36 times of your monthly salary, 18 lakhs. For 18 lakhs, EMI normally EMI will be coming up approximately 18,000. 50,000 you are having monthly income, and 18 if you are having, now if you are not having any loan, we will minus this, all the loans will be included. So this is the first loan, 18,000 your monthly, 32,000 you are having in your hand for running a family. At least 20,000 needed for running a family. You are having more than 20,000, that is 32,000. So bank will check this eligibility and give you loan. So if you see for purchasing a property in rural area, 50 lakhs will be there. Bank will put finance. Semi-urban means 1 crore. Urban means 2 crore. Metro means 3 crore. So metro means Chennai, Bangalore, like Delhi, Kolkata. These metros we used to call metro. Urban is called as district headquarters. State headquarters, it's metro. District headquarters like Salem, Namakkal, Dharmaburi, Tirunelveli. This is called urban. Semi-urban means Taluk office headquarters, like Tiruchengodu Taluk office or Tiruchendur Taluk office. Like that, any Taluk office or SRO office, that we call as semi-urban. Other than that, rural. This is the simply calculation that bank will finance according to this. For purchase of agriculture property, bank will not finance, because this will not come under SARFAESI Act. So bank will not finance for agriculture property. So before checking that, bank will have their legal lawyers. They will check all the properties, whether it is say within the city limit, TTCP authorities are there not. What is that? EC encumbrance certificates are there. Who is going to sale deed, doing the sale deed. These are the things lawyer will give his opinion. In that, he will clearly tell whether the property is agriculture property or city property or other residential or commercial property. He will clearly tell. Our engineer evaluation also will tell the property is agriculture or this. You must have a minimum 40% of take home pay, and repayment is 180 months. Normally they used to give. This will vary maximum bank to bank. You will not get any benefit for IT. IT benefit you will not get. Once you are going to construct it, your rate of interest will change to 7%. You will purchase in this 8.15 to 8.4. Your rate of interest will change to 7. So after that only you will be eligible for interest or installments for IT purpose of ATC. Other than that, purchase of plot you are not eligible. Construction should commence within 2 months, 2 years. Construction should commence within 2 years. You have to construct. Now I have seen a site at Chennai. I have purchased within 2 years. I have to construct. If I am not purchasing within constructing within 2 years, it will come as a commercial real estate. The rate of interest will be more. So normally, what people will do? So for saving purpose. So today, if you take one is gold, other is land. These are the appreciation is happening. If you see any gold, slow appreciation is happening. Land, if you see, very good appreciation is there. So normally to invest or purchase a plot when you are choosing this idea. So my sincere advice is that for savings, or if you go for a loan and buying a site and you are investing it, after that you are selling or constructing it and giving to rental or something, it will be the best option. If you are not constructing within that, this will be commercial. So now I have a plot. I have not constructed, but I want to build buildings or for commercial purpose. You can get for that license. Different licenses there. So for purchasing house plot at site, these are the minimum requirements. So 3 years ITs are needed. And then once your income will be eligible, then your salary slip, this and everything they will check. So my sincere advice, if you want to invest it, please invest in this plot site. You purchase it because it will be useful for you and your future. Anything, please comment.